Excuse me. May I ask what kind of dog is this? Oh, wow, it's unusual. It's really cute. Wow, wow. I love the fur. It's like a cat. That's okay. Because I smell like cat. I have cats. Okay. I used to have dogs, 6 dogs, but I don't have dogs anymore. It's really cute. What's his name? Is she? Hi. Oh yeah. Oh, she's okay now. After you feed her.
Para hindi siya masanay, lalapit sa ibang tao,
Ah,
kailangan muna mag-permission.
permission, of course.